Yeah, I got recruited into I was in school for like 2 months. I was 18. I got recruited into a network marketing deal, like local, with some guys I just met like out and about. And they actually had a very, very abnormal network marketing deal going on. So like it was I didn't know what that was. I didn't know what I didn't know what MLM was until like a year later. Like I didn't know what network marketing was. I didn't know MLM. Today, 20 years later, I call that first deal syndrome, where I meet a guy now and I can tell when they're in their first MLM. It's like, oh, you're in your first MLM, aren't you? You got first deal syndrome. Like you have no idea what you're doing or how it works or the industry as a whole. Yeah. You're just all fired up. And so there's actually some, I sometimes wish I still had like that naivete going into businesses, because I feel like we're so convoluted that I wish I was like first idea over again, but yeah, I got recruited into a deal where these guys were all 18, 19, 20, and they actually had a local office with like a glass conference room, and they all were driving nice cars and they all wore suits every day, but they were young. So they really like took this very seriously at a very young age back in 2003. And they were very hardcore. It was not like, oh, like, hey, call your friends and family. It was very much like we were having people come into our conference room, and like it was new to me. So I learned
were you guys watching The Boiler Room?
Every day. That was no joke. That was my initiation movie.
You're gonna hate your parents are gonna hate you.
That is so cliche, but that was honestly that, like, they all brought me back to like their apartment when they knew that I was gonna be like a player. And like I watched Boiler Room for the first time, and got the whole. It was literally the typical nice cars, hot girls, nice office, boiler room. Everyone's making money.
Why don't you have a couch?
From what's that?
And in the movie, he's like, "But why don't you have a couch?"
No, that was literally how it was. That was exactly how it was with these guys. You got a bunch of like 19-year-olds making a couple grand a week. You know what I mean? It was wild.